Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MissUniqueBeautii. The hair that I'll be using in today's video is the 50-inch Samba twist by Sensationnel, and I did go ahead and purchase this hair from samsbeauty.com. This hair was buy one get one free, so I did purchase 3 packs and received 6 packs as a result of the sale. Now these twists are super duper natural looking, and they definitely remind me of natural hair in some juicy twist, and you do receive 20 twists per pack, so you will have more than enough hair to complete your desired style. And the cap that I'll be using in today's video is the freetress headband crochet wig cap along with a crochet needle. Now I've already went ahead and applied my wig cap to my mannequin head, and as you guys can see, the loop on the twist is super duper easy to work with, and I was able to get each of the twists through the loops with no problem. So I am going to go ahead and begin by applying 4 twists to the base of the cap as my foundation for my staggering method, and all I'm going to be doing is my staggering method throughout the entirety of this wig. Now my staggering method is just placing a twist in between a twist that I crocheted in the previous row. I am going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you guys right now. All I'm going to do is go ahead and crochet a twist in between the twist that I created in the previous row. Doing this allows you to have the maximum amount of coverage while wearing your wigs and while styling your wigs as well. So I am going to go ahead and install 2 packs of these twists in this back section just to give this back section a nice full look. I do want to also mention that I am having a huge wig sale on October 1st, and that wig sale will be featuring just about all of the wigs that I have shown you guys on my channel, and that includes wigs that I have made myself and wigs that I did receive from different hair companies. Mark your calendars, save the date. These wigs will be sold at a very affordable price, so you guys do not want to miss this sale. Now for the side section of the wig, I am going to go ahead and lay my foundation of twists along the edges of the cap first, just like I did in the back. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish up this section with doing my staggering method throughout the entirety of this section. Now one thing I do want to also mention for you guys is please do not crochet your twists too close to each other on the sides, because you do not want the sides of your wig to look super duper bulky. You want to space those twists out as much as you can, because these twists are on the fluffier side. So if you guys do have hair left over in the end and you feel like there is some spaces that you want to fill in a bit more, you guys can go ahead and do so. But in the meantime, don't fill them in too much until you finish the wig and you figure out whether you want to add more hair or not. So I am going to go ahead and finish up these side sections. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys exactly how I crochet the front section of this wig. Now for the front section, because this section is the most important section of the cap, and this is where the wig will be styled the most, you want to make sure that you are crocheting these twists right next to each other, so that when you go ahead and pull the hair back, you do not see any gaps or spacing in the front section of the wig. And this is what this front section will look like if you guys go ahead and crochet them very close to each other. And as you guys can see, you do not see any spaces whatsoever in the front section of the wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up this top section by doing the staggering method in the top section of the wig, and then if I do have any hair left over, I'm going to go ahead and add the remainder of the hair into the wig cap all around. And I do want to mention that I told you guys I do have 6 packs, but I only ended up using a total of 4 packs of hair on this wig, and this wig still came out extremely full. So I do want to mention that for you guys. 4 packs of hair literally was more than enough hair to complete this entire wig, and this hair is buy one get one free. This is what the completed wig is looking like, and as you guys can see, this wig is super duper full, and I can't wait to apply this wig to my head so that you guys can see exactly what this wig is looking like. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is apply my floral headband around my neck, just to make it easier for me to apply it to my head. And this is what the wig is looking like. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head from back to front, making sure that I have those combs on the wig cap positioned right by the temple areas of my head. Now, once I've got that wig sitting exactly where I want it to be, I am going to go ahead and secure the headband straps in the back section of my head. Then the style is pretty much complete. Please be sure to use a black wig cap underneath your crochet wigs, because as you guys can see, it just looks a lot more natural when you have a black wig cap underneath your wigs. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my slow-mo so that you guys can get into the texture and the movement of this gorgeous wig. This hair is the 50-inch Samba twist by Sensationnel. I did purchase it from samsbeautii.com, and they do have a huge sale going on right now. This hair is buy one get one free, and I only used 4 packs of this hair to complete this style. I am going to go ahead and leave the link to this hair in the description box down below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any suggestions or questions that you guys may have. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!